Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we find the hidden stories in corporate filings. Today we're diving into the latest disclosures from News Corporation, and let's just say they're talking about buying back their own stock. But why would they do that? We're going to find out. So what's going on here? Basically, News Corporation is letting everyone know about its stock repurchase programs. Think of it like the company using its own money to buy its own shares from the open market. They've got a pretty big plan, up to $1 billion for buying back both their Class A and Class B common stock. This is something they're required to report, especially to places like the Australian Securities Exchange or the ASX. It's all about keeping investors informed about what the company is doing with its money. Now, why would a company buy back its own stock? Well, it's often seen as a sign that management believes the company's stock is undervalued. By reducing the number of shares outstanding, it can potentially boost earnings per share, which can make the stock look more attractive. It also gives the company a way to return cash to shareholders without having to pay dividends, which are taxed differently. A quick look at what's registered shows us their Class A common stock trades under the symbol NWSA and their Class B under NWS on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. These are the shares that are likely being considered for these buybacks. This section really gets to the heart of the matter. News Corp is telling us they have these repurchase programs and they're authorized to spend up to $1 billion to buy back their own shares. This isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing authorization to acquire shares when they see fit. These exhibits are the details of what they've actually been telling the Australian stock market. When companies buy back stock, especially in large amounts, it can have a ripple effect. It reduces the supply of shares available, and if demand stays the same or increases, the price of those remaining shares can go up. It's a way to signal confidence in the company's future and manage its capital structure. Now, you'll often see language about forward-looking statements in these filings. This is basically a legal disclaimer. Companies are cautious about making definitive promises about the future because things can change. So when they mention their intent to repurchase, it's based on current expectations, but actual results could be different due to market conditions, stock prices, or even new investment opportunities that pop up. They're saying, we plan to do this, but don't hold us to it if circumstances change. And here we see the signature of Michael L. Bunda, who is the Senior Vice President, Deputy General Counsel, and Corporate Secretary. This signature signifies that the filing has been properly authorized by the company. It's the official stamp of approval, confirming that all the information presented is accurate to the best of their knowledge. So, what's the big picture here? News Corporation is actively managing its shareholder returns through share buybacks. While this particular filing doesn't give us the juicy financial tables showing performance for the quarter, it highlights a strategic move by the company. They are choosing to invest in their own stock. This can be a very positive signal to investors, suggesting that management sees value and a path for future growth. However, it's always crucial to look at the company's overall financial health when considering buyback programs. Are they buying back stock while also investing heavily in growth initiatives? Or are they buying back stock instead of investing in the future? Without more detailed financial data in this specific filing, it's hard to say definitively. But the commitment of up to $1 billion is a significant one, and it signals a strong belief in the company's intrinsic value and its ability to generate future cash flows. As always, investors should do their own research and consider how these buyback programs fit into the broader context of News Corporation's business strategy and market position. Alright, that's our quick decode of this News Corporation filing. What do you think about their $1 billion stock repurchase plan? Does it signal strength or something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.